This is part 2 of building a sugar shack timber frame using lumber that we actually sourced from our school forest, milled, and are starting to actually peg together. Now we're sort of building the plane as we're flying the plane. I have my students and we're going through and doing all the layout and everything else on SketchUp first. And then we're running next door to the shop and we're actually executing all of that layout. In retrospect, I think it would have been way easier for us just to buy a completed plan set and just start cutting based off of that plan set. But I do think it's a really valuable process for my students to actually draw something and then go next door and fabricate it in the shop. So I'm excited to see this thing fully pegged together and assembled and up in the air. And that's hopefully going to happen within about 2 weeks. Granted, if we get 1.5 feet of snow, we might have to push that date back a little bit. But this is video number 2. Enjoy. Also, consider hitting that subscribe button, consider hitting that like button, consider sharing this if you found this fun, interesting, maybe educational. All right, talk to you next week.